Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Desktop. First, download the Kraken Pro Desktop application, available for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Once installed, log in securely with your existing Kraken account. The desktop app offers a highly customizable interface, allowing you to tailor your trading desk with up to 48 modules per board, including price charts and order books, for a personalized experience. To begin trading, you'll need to fund your Kraken account. You can deposit fiat currencies such as US dollars, euros, or Canadian dollars, often with minimal fees. For US clients, linking your bank account via Plaid allows for instant USD deposits, though a weekly limit of $10,000 applies. Alternatively, you can deposit over 200 supported cryptocurrencies, but always check for specific minimum deposit amounts. Kraken Desktop provides access to over 800 spot and futures markets, offering a wide range of trading opportunities. You can employ various advanced order types, including market, limit, stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop orders, to manage your positions effectively. The application's Rust-native technology stack ensures low latency and high-performance trade execution, crucial for active traders in fast-moving markets. Managing your portfolio on Kraken Desktop is intuitive, with advanced charting and technical analysis tools to track your assets and market trends. Security is paramount. Always enable two-factor authentication using passkeys or an authenticator app for an extra layer of protection. Kraken employs industry-leading security measures, including AES 256 encryption for data at rest and TLS 1.2 or 1.3 for data in transit, ensuring your funds and information are well protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.